Creating a website for your hotel should not be complicated and it shouldn't be expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your hotel. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, MultiSites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month. And there's a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So be sure to click on that link below this video to start that free trial and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, hotel. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our hotel, our business name, and our city and our state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the world. Once MultiSites has generated a website with the information you've just put in, it will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to close that off because today I'm here to show you the ropes. So let's get started. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you to save you all the hassle. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of your hotel. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't have all these facilities and you just want to make it a bit more personalized to your business. You don't need to know any website coding at all to do that. You don't need to be a web professional either. You can literally do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's make our way through and start at the first section and click on update section. Pop in your email address over here. We want to make sure that that's visible to our customers. So let's tick the box. Awesome. Let's put in our phone number that is click to call, by the way. And the address physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Awesome. And update social links you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website when you put the links in. In the next section, if you have a business logo, pop it in over here. If you want to make amendments to your logo, crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, click on that pencil to make some minor edits. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, if you want to change the colors on your MultiSites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on the paint bucket, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your hotel, click on update section and update action. You can change those call to action buttons, the text on them, and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with a brochure of your hotel. And update images, you can change the images on your website. You can browse your device, or you could even go ahead and search through the photo library, hundreds of free images to choose from. You even have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all your images from your Instagram account if you have one, and update content to make it personalized and write a little bit more details about your hotel and what you offer your customers. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. Keep track of all those leads in your Multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your hotel, you can click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you don't have a domain, you can go ahead and click that button as well, because you can actually purchase a domain via the MultiSites platform as well, which we highly recommend to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the MultiSites platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.